In this video, I'll be talking about 10 important points on societal and ethical implications of nanotechnology. And to start with, the very first important point is the environmental impact. The widespread use of nanomaterials and nanoparticles raises concerns about their potential uh, potential release into the environment. This is leading to uncertain ecological consequences and long-term effects on ecosystems. The next point is health and safety, and in this category, the unique properties of nanomaterials may pose health risks to workers involved in nanotechnology research. And development and manufacturing of nanomaterials. So there is a need of ensuring proper safety measures and understanding the potential health impacts in this domain is extremely crucial. The next important point is the regulatory challenges. This nanotechnology, its rapid development has certainly outpaced regulatory frameworks, posing challenges in assessing and managing the potential risks and ensuring responsible use and disposal of these nanomaterials. So it's a very there has to have the constant regulatory plans by virtue of which the risks that are associated with nanotechnology that can be regulated time to time. The next important point is the privacy and surveillance. So advancements in nano sensors and surveillance technologies, they certainly may raise concerns about privacy and potential misuse of nanotechnology for surveillance purposes. So there is extreme need of developing some kind of regulation by virtue of which these nano sensors cannot be used under the situations where it will take away us from the fundamental rights. The next important point is the nanomedicine and human enhancement. Ethical questions certainly arise regarding the use of nanotechnology in human enhancement and personalized medicine. So blurring the line between therapy and enhancement. The next important point is the equity and access. So this nanotechnology it has high costs and complexity could exaggerate the existing inequalities, making it necessary to address equitable access to its benefits across different socio-economic groups. So and now it should not become the property of some elite class of the people living in the societies. So there's always a need to develop a balanced socio-economical organizations where this nanotechnology can be accessible to all levels of the people living in that society. The next important point is this intellectual property and commercialization. This nanotechnology innovations may trigger disputes over intellectual property rights, potentially limiting access to essential technologies and hindering the global collaboration. So it can have that state of immunology in it, that it will try to be focused in certain domains of the globe. So this point needs to be addressed. So the next point, point number 8, is the environmental justice. The distribution of nanotechnology facilities and the waste disposal sites may disproportionately impact vulnerable communities, and they are raising concerns about environmental justice. So this point needs to be addressed in proper sweat. The point number nine, the usage of this nanotechnology in warfare, the potential militarization of nanotechnology. It certainly raises ethical questions about the responsible use of nanomaterials and nanoscale weapons. So these weapons that may not be visible to the pupil, but their biosensors will be executing the function of these small machines, and these machines can do the job. The last point, the societal perception and public awareness. Certainly, it's very important that the public understanding and perception of nanotechnology could influence its acceptance, adoption, and funding for research and development. Ensuring public awareness and open communications are essential to fostering informed decision makings. And to say goodbye, before saying goodbye to you, in conclusion, I'll say that this nanotechnology's transformative potential comes with societal and ethical implications that need careful considerations. Addressing these concerns through responsible research, regulation, and public engagements is crucial for harnessing the benefits of nanotechnology, while mitigating potential risks and ensuring ethical use in alignment with the societal values. So there is always a need to develop a sense of ethical assurances of why this nanotechnology can be used in the positive direction of an axis, and there's a need to put constraints wherever necessary in order to ensure that this technology is used only for the positive implications in the society.